In today's video, I'm going to show you how to achieve this eyeshadow look using the Morphe 35M palette as well as one pigment. This is from Lorena Makeup in the shade Divinity. If you're new to my channel, what's up? My name is Ashley. I upload beauty, plus size fashion, and lifestyle videos Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays at 12 p.m. So if you like this content, consider subscribing. I'm going to be using two eyeshadow primers. First, I'm going to use this one here. This is from Milani, and this is in the shade 01 Nude. Then I'm going to wait 30 seconds. After that, I'm going to be using this P. Louise base, and this is in the shade Rumor 02. With this M433, I'm going to grab this color here called Talk Dirty. I am using an iPad to help for when I do apply the eyelid shade, for it not to spread all over my face because we don't got time for that. But with the Talk Dirty color, I'm just going to focus this on the crease. So I'm just going to go up and, well, I mean circular motion, sorry, not up and down. Circular motion, so from the outer part, connecting it all the way to the inner part, because I want everything to look extremely smoky. We're slowly intensifying this color, so just keep adding little by little until you like the way that this looks. And again, this just takes lots of blending, so just have patience. With the same brush, I'm going to grab this color here called Sparks Fly. For Talk Dirty, the first color we used, you can see that I applied on the crease, but I also blended it out to be a little bit of a transition. But we're going to intensify this a little bit more with the color Sparks Fly. And we're mainly going to focus this on the crease. I don't want to bring this up high. I just want to focus this on the crease. So little by little, circular motions, applying this to intensify the eyeshadow look. With this Morphe JH32 brush, it doesn't have any color. I'm just going to use this to lightly blend these two colors together upwards so that I don't have any harsh lines. Circular motions all around. With this Morphe M511 brush, I'm going to grab this color here called Play It Cool. I'm going to use this as my transition shade, so I'm lightly going to do it in circular motions right above the color that we used. Clean up the eyelid area, I'm going to be using this concealer. This is from e.l.f. This is the 16-Hour Camo in Fair Warm. So I'm just going to use this again to clean up the eyelid. The brush that I'm using is this M224 brush. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap this all over the lid. Another thing you can do too is, because I have a little bit of hooded eyes, is I apply concealer right here and then I kind of let this touch the crease, and then that I know how far up I should clean up the lid. Back with the M433 brush and a little bit of that Sparks Fly color, I'm just going to go over the crease just so that I don't have any harsh lines from the concealer and the eyeshadow, so that when I lay the eyelid color, it's going to be more blended. With a flat eyeshadow brush, I'm going to grab this color here called Pop Star. And I'm just going to put this all over the lid, little by little, until I like the way that it looks. Now for the fun part, I'm going to be using this here, which is considered chip. It's kind of like a glitter, but it's like chunky pieces of like kind of foil. And this shade is called Divinity. And this is from the brand Lorena Makeup. Swear to you guys, need to check out her makeup stuff, because literally I wanted to add everything on there because I was just so inspired by everything that she has. To apply this chip, I'm going to be using the NYX Glitter Primer, and I'm going to be using the Lorena Makeup brushes in the SA3. So a little brush like that one. And first what I'm going to do is just apply the NYX Glitter Primer all over the lid. And then I'll go ahead and start tapping that in. So applying the glitter primer all over the lid as a base. And the reason why I did that Pop Star color is just to have a little bit of an undertone underneath. Because when you apply these, you still see through it a little bit. So you don't want it to be nude. So that's the reason why I did it the way I did it. So now I'm tapping this on the lid. And there will be a lot of fallout. That's why I am using this eyelid or eye pad thing. I don't know what to call it. But as well as be careful, like make sure that you don't have like a fan blowing directly to you or air conditioner on, because I've had that in the past and then they just went flying everywhere. It was intense. Off camera, I did go ahead and do my face makeup, as well as I did apply eyeliner and mascara on this eye. I kind of was getting in the mood and I totally forgot that I was supposed to be filming. But anyways, for the lower lash line, I am using this brush. This is the M432 and I grabbed the color Sparks Fly. And I'm just going to go ahead and use that to tight line my lash line to smoke it out and connect. So very lightly going on this area. I also went ahead and grabbed a little bit of that Talk Dirty and I'm applying it again on my lower lash line. Now with this JH40 brush, I grabbed the color Play It Cool and I'm just going to use that to blend out and smoke out the lower lash line. So basically creating a transition shade just how we did in the upper part of the eye. For the inner corner highlight, I'm going to be using this Color Pop. This is the Glitter Obsess. You can't really see. There you go. The color Obsess, this is what it looks like. This is in the shade Hopeless Romantic. So it has pops of like little hearts in there, super cute. So I'm going to be using this brush. This is from, I can't even see anymore because it's so busted now, because it's well loved. But I'm just going to grab one of the hearts and pop that in the inner corner. I'm just going to pop that in the inner corner. Lashes, I'm going to be using these. These are the Style Saucy from Rose Glam Boutique. I already went ahead and put my lash glue on my actual lash line. So I'm just going to pop these on. I'm going to go ahead and use this MAC Black eyeliner and I'm going to apply this on the top waterline to help blend the lash line. With another MAC eyeliner, I'm going to be using this one in shade NC15/NW20, which is basically a nude. And I'm going to apply this on the bottom lash line before I apply mascara. Last step, apply mascara on my lower lashes. I love to do this because it helps blend the volume from the top as well as in the bottom, and that basically completes the look. I hope you like this makeup tutorial. If you'd like to see some more of my makeup tutorials, make sure to check the iCard or the description box. I'll go ahead and put the links to some of my most previous makeup tutorials. I do upload beauty, plus size fashion, and lifestyle videos on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays at 12 p.m. So if you like this content, consider subscribing, hit that bell button to get notified when I upload a new video, hit that like button, show me some love, comment down below, let me know, are you going to be trying out this tutorial or what palette I should use next? I love to interact with you. If you'd like to see a little bit more of me, then you can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok. I post little previews of what I'm filming and all that good stuff. Again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!